Today we're going to demonstrate bypassing a boom cable on an SRS-4. This is a separate sold part. Comes with a boom cable adapter as well as an angle sensor cable adapter and a 25-foot coil cord. We'll use this to bypass the internal cable routed inside of our boom. Issues that you may receive or find with this failed boom cable: loss of elevation control, loss of angle sensor, pretty much anything out on the head could be a loss of communication, as that communication is done through the boom cable inside. So we offer this as a separately sold part, and I'm going to demonstrate where it would be connected on the machine. First, you'll have to locate the boom cable connection, which is out here on the front of the head. You'll have to remove a couple of zip ties to slide the sleeve back, and that will expose the connection. You want to disconnect here, and you want to plug in your bypass cable into the head harness side of your emergency bypass cable. The other end of the cable will then be routed underneath the boom, and you should be able to continue pouring concrete until you can change the boom cable after the pour is done.